Assalamu alaikum. This is Oris Khalid. I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to share with you something truly fascinating that I recently discovered. Have you ever heard of text to video and other AI generated content? It is absolutely mind blowing. One particular platform that caught my attention is BHuman AI. With just one recording, you can create dozens of videos effortlessly. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you are a content creator, a marketer, or simply someone who loves experimenting with new technologies, so Be Human AI can revolutionize the way you produce your videos. By using Be Human AI, I think you can transform your written content into engaging videos within minutes. Uh, that's true. It's like having your own personal video production team at your fingertips. Um, the AI technology behind it is incredibly advanced, ensuring high quality videos that captivate your audience. So, if you're looking to save time, energy, and resources while creating visually stunning videos, I highly recommend giving Be Human AI a try. Uh, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your content production and creation process. It has packages starting from $39 a month with up to 200 videos maybe, and then they also have enterprising solutions as well. So take action now. Visit their website um, to learn more about Be Human AI, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. This is from my personal experience.